Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about code refactoring. What is code refactoring? An interview question and answer. Refactoring as originally defined by Martin Fowler and Kent Beck. These are the two people, great people who coined this refactoring term and written an excellent book, and they've taught a lot of things about refactoring. Code refactoring is the process of changing a computer program source code without modifying its external functional behavior in order to improve some of the non-functional attributes of the software. Advantages include improved code readability and reduce complexity to improve the maintainability of the source code, as well as more expressive internal architecture or object model to improve the extensibility. To simply say, code refactoring is like I want to improve the code without changing the functionality. For example, currently an application has 4 functionality. It will manage, say, an employee details. After code refactoring, it should do the same thing. There should not be any change in the functionality, but the way it is written, the way the classes are written, the way it has been designed should be changed, so that it will improve the code readability, and it will also reduce the complexity, and it will help you to improve the extensibility. In the sense, you have currently 4 features in your current application, and the customer is asking for 2 more features, that is total 6 features. So it should be easy to adapt those 2 extra features in your current code. That is what extensibility means. Your current design should be in a position to adapt these 2 features in an easy way. It should not be complex to adapt this. Okay, so that's what the code refactoring helps. It eliminates the code duplication and dead code. Code duplication, if there are multiple places same code has been placed, then you have to remove those. You have to handle the code duplication. And dead code, the code is existing in your application, but it's nowhere used or nowhere called. You should remove that code because it is useless and it's not doing any impact in your application. Makes the application design and logic clear, so that any new developer comes in, they can understand and start contributing to your project in a shorter period of time. Always to simplify the code and to make it easier to understand. 10 lines of code per method, then giving a single responsibility to the class, and giving good commands, and appropriately having interfaces and abstract classes. So that will help you to simplify the code. Make changes so that it helps extend easily in future. Appropriate interfaces, abstract classes, proper design you should have. Appropriate interfaces means the people, if the customer is giving a new feature, you can directly start implementing and extending it, and give the new feature to the customers. You should apply single responsibility principle and other design principles in your existing code. So during code refactoring, please remember about single responsibility and other principles like open close principle. There are other design principles available. Without changing the functionality, change only the internal structure of the code for easy maintenance and improved code readability. Okay, so only change the internal structure of the code. Separate layers within the application appropriately, like service layer, business logic layer, database layer, the client layer. So we should have appropriate layers, because we can isolate the problem, and one more thing is 2 independent teams can work on different layers at the same point of time. So it helps a lot. I just want to give you an example before ending this video. Code refactoring means without changing the functionality, only changing the internal structure so that it improves. I just want to give you an example. You can see here there are so many if else, and we are not able to understand what exactly the else block, if blocks are doing. But after code refactoring, see, it does not change the functionality, but it has changed the way the code was written. This improves more readability, and any new developer comes, or if you want to give the code to any other department or any team, they can easily read and understand and start contributing. They won't it will not take much time and maintenance wise also it will be really easy. If there is any bug, you can directly start debug and fix the bug. So this is about code refactoring. So after your code refactoring, the code should look like this. An example I'm just giving you. If you want more details, please read through this book, Refactoring, Improving the Design of Existing Code by Martin Fowler, an excellent author. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If you like this video, please click the like button. Thank you.